dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are happy. So let's start today our maths subject. So in maths lesson number 1, what is long and what is round. So in textbook also we did and also in workbook. So today we are going to do only homework related work. Two questions are there in the exercise. So see workbook page number 12 and page number 13. So in page 12 and 13 question is there. Let's do homework, and in that first question is put circle for round object and arrow for long objects in the given box. Okay, pictures are given and few pictures are repeated for you as an example base. So just you are going to give that in the box that it is a round or a long object. Okay, for example, first picture is given globe of the world. Okay, picture of a globe. So in the box you are going to put circle. Okay, and picture of a broom is a long object, so arrow mark. Picture of a tire, so round object, circle you are going to put in the box. Okay, so same way few examples again repeated, and now we are going to do same way second question also, and I will send you PDF of this. And see on page 13 also. On page 13 put right tick for the objects which can roll and slide or slide or be stacked, and wrong for the objects which cannot roll, slide or be stacked in the given box. Okay, so first of all put right for the object which can roll, slide or be stacked. See, all the three options are there. Right tick for this, and wrong for the object which cannot roll, slide or stack. See, question is clear, I think. If everything is going on with the object, for example roll, slide and stack, then right tick, and roll, slide and stack cannot done by the object, so wrong tick. Okay, for example picture of the objects are given, so same thing it is repeated. So for example a picture of a tire is given, so tire can roll, cannot slide but stack. Okay, and next one picture of dholak you can see. Okay, so right tick, roll, slide cannot be and stack cannot be. We cannot keep dholak one upon the other. Okay, and tire we can keep one upon the other, so stack is right. Then a picture of a button, all options are right, slide, stack and roll. Okay, and a picture of a mud pot. Okay, so for that water pot it is, so right tick, slide cannot and stack also cannot. Same way cone is given, ice cream cone, so right tick, roll, it is empty, ice cream is not there, and slide cannot, and stack one upon the other we can keep. Okay, and now card is given. Okay, playing card, so for that roll cannot, slide and stack. So same way other examples are also there. So this much, this two page you are going to do 12 and 13 in the workbook. Okay, and next we are going to do notebook walk. Notebook you are going to do today, you are going to write table of 2. Okay, so we will see how table of 2 we are going to write. For example your book is box type. Okay, so in box type, in one box you are going to write 2 number. Second box, this is the sign of multiplication, x is known as sign of multiplication. Then 1, this 2 line is known as equal to sign, and 2. Okay, same way 1 to 10 numbers, and in the first line 2 to 2 till 10 multiplication sign, equal to sign, and here you are going to write answer. Okay, 2 1s are 2, so this way we will speak table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 1 0 10, 2 6s are 12, 1 to 12, 2 7s are 1 4 14, 2 8s are 1 6 16, 2 9s are 1 8 18, 2 10s are 20 20. So this is the table of 2. You are going to write 2 times in your maths notebook. And today one more question is also there for you to write in notebook. Write the number names from 51 to 6565. Numbers are here in the index, and you are going to write spelling, that is the number name, FIFTY 50, ONE 1, FIFTY 50, TWO 2, FIFTY 50, THREE 3, FIFTY 50, FOUR 4, FIFTY 50, FIVE 5, FIFTY 50, SIX 6, FIFTY 50, SEVEN 7, FIFTY 50, EIGHT 8, FIFTY 50, NINE 9 59. And for 6060, you are going to write SIX spelling of 6, and after SI6 spelling TY. Okay, so it will become SIXTY 60 spelling of 6060. Okay, and 5 more number name you are going to learn, that is numbers are here 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So SIXTY 60, ONE 1, SIXTY 60, TWO 2, SIXTY 60, THREE 3, SIXTY 60, FOUR 4 64, SIXTY 60, FIVE 5 65. So from 51 to 65 numbers name, and we are going to write table of 2. So both you are going to write 2 times, and workbook page also you are going to write 2 times, but that you are going to do in workbook. Okay students, thank you everybody, have a nice day.